Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Bit of a random one today, I hope you're doing well. I think a lot of you probably guessed. I am about to film my empty house tour. Yes, it's crazy. I can't believe it. I'm sure I will update you in a vlog at some point next week, but today I'm filming my empty house tour. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, check me out on Instagram. So much homeware content coming your way. Oh, my little cat is across the road. So much home content coming your way. I've got a homeware haul coming next week and I'm just so excited. My sister is behind the camera, so shout out to Liv for filming this. Let's dive straight in, let's go inside. Firstly, this is my front door, cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. We love
so
this.
Cute, we love this colour. And the same glasses.
Maybe,
really cute.
sorry, do you mind taking your phone so that I can
Of
hold this
course.
with 2 hands?
Okay, so do you want me to shut the door behind you or are you alright?
I'll close it.
Okay, so there we go. I'm going to do my best to kind of talk you guys through some of the plans that I have and some things that I want to do, but it's mostly just an empty house tour so that you guys can kind of see it from beginning and through the process. I am going to do a separate video on like room by room and mood boards, so I'll leave that for that video, but we'll talk a bit and I'm sure Liv can chip in, give us her kind of creative interior design. So here we are in the hallway.
Love this. Do you want me to like...
I'm probably going to change this. I will, well not probably, I will be, but very sweet nonetheless, if that's your kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Here we are. It's very echoey at the moment because obviously there's absolutely no furniture in the house. So should we start?
Yeah, I think let's start over here.
So this is the kind of like front room area. We obviously have a lovely little fireplace going on here with a log burner, which is so cute. I love all the character of this kind of house. That was what I really loved about it. I have a lovely bay window here. My mum's just standing in. I need to get some shutters over there. I think I'm gonna essentially take this out. I like the concept of these. I'll pop a picture on the screen of what I've seen on Pinterest that I love. They are kind of like fitted into the wall, but I just think this needs a little bit of like updating personally. So it's a similar sort of thing really though that I want to do. I want to have some built-in storage, to be honest. We were just talking about what we're going to do here. I think we're going to do maybe like a big chair and then the sofa where Liv's standing just along here. I've obviously got my like Decenio prints that I can put up, and then I've actually ordered a huge mirror from Anthropology. Again, I'll put a photo of that on the screen. It was definitely a bit of an impulse buy of mine. Well, it wasn't impulsive, I wanted it for a long time, but it is an expensive purchase for a mirror. But I had seen it on Sophie Milner's channel and I just loved it, and it's so handy if you
I've seen that mirror.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
And if you do like Instagram content or anything like that, it's just so easy to have a full length, huge mirror. So I think I'll probably put that somewhere over here. I haven't really thought. This wall was originally a wall here, and they took the wall out to kind of have more of like an open plan vibe, but I'm not going to build the wall back up, but I think I'm going to put some sort of like door or fold away door or some sort of French door, something, just so that it can be like a separate sitting room, but obviously if you want to have people over and stuff, you can open it up and it can be open plan. So that's kind of the plan at the moment for here. I don't have any like super concrete plans, by the way, but these are just, it's quite an empty room, so I'm trying to, you know, speak a little bit about it. So this area here was kind of like their sort of dining room area when we came and looked around.
This is big, isn't it?
This is big in here. Yeah, this is really nice. This is really big. I mean,
that window's nice.
So nice. This window's lovely,
that
and I'll
window.
show you guys the garden because the garden is so nice. I'm not sure. I mean, they had this obviously as like a dining room area. For now, I probably will keep it the same. I think in an ideal world, like I would love to do a little bit of extending on the back of the house with the kitchen and stuff, but it's nothing that is like pressing and is going to happen like now. It's just kind of like that would be a nice idea.
Yeah. Because this could all be open.
Yeah, that's exactly it. And I've looked at other houses and seen obviously like inspo places and YouTube and stuff, people have done that and it does give you just so much more space in the kitchen, which I will show you. So that is like a potential thing that I want to do, but it's not like happening, you know, before I move all my stuff in. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, I love all to be honest, like, I love the floors and stuff. Like, I really quite like that. I think it just needs like a little bit of a like freshen up, new paint, new carpet upstairs, that kind of thing. It's nothing crazy. So then this is the kitchen. So I actually really quite like this kitchen.
So cute. So much like character.
So much character in here. Like, remember, it's just me. Like, there's so much space for me. They really kindly as well. You guys will see it in my vlog if you watch my first moving vlog. left me some flowers and some champagne and a card.
So nice.
So sweet of them, isn't it?
Really weird how they're like those flowers that you got.
That I got mum, so weird. I really like this. I mean, I'll take you guys out into the garden because the garden is so lovely. But there's so much storage in this kitchen. Like, can we just talk about this? Like, there is a lot of storage. I mean, I've not even opened all these cupboards because it's huge. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure this kitchen will be absolutely fine. In, like I said, a dream world, I would love to do like a side return kind of extension. I mean, let me know if you guys have ever done anything like that, how the process was for you and stuff. That would be amazing. And then obviously we could like go into that wall there and have it more open plan at the back of the house. But it's not an urgent thing. Like this is absolutely fine for me. Like I really like it. I actually really like the kitchen. I think when I first looked around, I don't really remember it that well, but now I'm in here, like I think it's really nice. It's
yeah,
light.
it's so cute.
It's so cute. Love again these kind of windows here. So nice. And one of my favourite things is actually this door.
Yeah, I love this. It's
love
like one.
this
Can you
door.
open
It's
this?
yeah, you can open so you
Yeah.
can. I don't want to. The cat's not there. Is it?
No.
Sorry, the cat. So you can. Do I pull this down? Yeah. And then.
Oh, that's so
Hello.
cute.
Do you know who had a door like this? Tops TV.
Oh, did they? Yeah, they did.
Like, I'm tiny. So yeah, so that's that. Very cute. I've also befriended a cat that seems to keep coming to the house. So right, hang on. How do this? There we go.
He's very sweet.
We love this. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys. So we love this door. This door is really cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys outside. So I love the windows. I love the whole garden. It is so nice. I will take you guys with me. Thanks, Liv, for coming out here. So obviously
Love
you have
these
these
little
kind of
steps.
steps here, and then this is sort of like a patioed area. I actually really like these sort of patio slabs that they already have. I think they're really lovely. You could obviously put a really nice little seating
A
area.
table, or yeah.
Table, like,
Very cute.
sofas. I would really want to do maybe like string fairy lights, but those ones that are like the bulbs.
Oh my god, love those.
So cute.
Like a cross.
Super cozy and like candles out here, and maybe like a little table with in the summer like barbecue vibes. Like, I'm just getting all the vibes, guys.
You know what would be really cute actually is lights on that little tree. Little hanging
nice.
lights.
So their garden is gorgeous. I honestly absolutely love it. Their garden, it's not. I keep saying
Yeah, it's yours.
but it's just such a nice garden, and it's not too much work. Like, you know, there's a little bit of grass, there's a little bit of patio. It's not like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be having, you know, green fingered lady over here. I love this. I mean, this just looks stunning.
Yeah. What, is this blossom or?
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
and just the whole. I just think it looks so lovely. So
Yeah.
this little kind of hidden. I don't know what this is called. Someone will tell me in the comments.
Oh my god, it's literally on the tip of my tongue. Is it a?
pergola?
Yeah, it's
No,
a pergola.
that's a big one. This is like a.
Oh. Like one
like
of
a
those
little
things they have at
archway.
weddings.
And I just think it's so cute. So Liv is going to come
Oh god, something just
Down
plopped
here.
on my hands.
right at the back. I won't go in there because it's just a shed, but I do have a shed at the back of the garden. So I mean, the flower beds and everything, it is so
It's such a cute little walkway.
So cute. So yeah, love this, love it, love all the windows, love the garden. We're loving it. We're going to go back in. I'm going to take you guys upstairs. Okay guys, so I am now bringing you
Up the stairs.
the stairs. Sorry about some of these angles, it's probably a bit
Yeah, I was like, whoa, what do I do there?
Sorry about that. So, right, I haven't actually explained this to you. We're going to back up a little bit.
Okay.
Poor Liv, she can't trip over. So, one of the things that I absolutely, losing my voice, loved about this house is the split level upstairs. So essentially, upstairs, it's kind of split over 2 levels. And I just really liked that feeling. It made the house feel a little bit bigger and like airier, and I don't know, I just personally really liked it. I know for some people they would be like, oh, it's such a waste of space, because you could essentially like utilise the space from the minute you kind of come up, but I don't care. Like, I think I really like the look of it. So I'm going to take you down to the back part of the house first, and I will start out with this room here. I love all of the character in this house. Like, I actually really like the stained glass up here. I just think it's kind of a cute little feature. And then this is what could be, I mean, they consider this obviously to be one of the bedrooms because this house is a 3-bedroom house. But I would probably use this, and I'm planning on using this as kind of like an office / walk-in wardrobe, that kind of space. I mean, I can really envision right now either like my handbags displayed here or just something really lovely. Maybe like a little area to do my makeup or something. that's probably how I will use this space. I mean, it is just me at the moment in this house. So, you know, I think that's probably the best way to use it. I would say, would you agree?
I agree. I agree. No, you don't have any children.
I've got my
like,
children
you've
and
got
a
no
baby on the
babies.
way. So, because I think obviously a lot of people would probably have this as a baby's room,
Yeah.
like hot and stuff like that, but that's not going to be needed for me. Also, I will replace these lights. But I do like that they're not spotlights actually, I like that they're like hanging lights. You could do a really nice light feature in these rooms, so I do really like that. Again, love the window, it looks out onto the garden. This is probably one of my favourite rooms in the house, even though it's probably one of the smallest. I just like it in here, the vibe.
Really, really sweet.
Really sweet. We are going to go in the bathroom. The bathroom is not huge, but I thought I will quickly show you guys the bathroom now. If two people can fit in here together. There are some things I do want to change about the bathroom. I want to change the tiles. I want to change the bath. I pretty much want to change the bathroom entirely. Not because there's anything overly wrong with it. It's absolutely fine. Like, obviously everything in this house is fine. You could move straight in, but it's just like a personal thing with details and stuff. So trying to figure out the best way to utilize this space, just because it isn't that big. Trying to figure out if I have like just a standalone shower, if I have a standalone bath, which is what I've always dreamed of having, but I just don't know how practical that is in here. But maybe it would be more practical because you would lose like this wasted. Do you kind of know what I mean?
Wait, so would you not have a bath and shower, or do you want?
I want like a standalone bath.
Yeah.
And then you can have like an overhead bit in it.
I
so
get
you
what
have
you're
to stand in
saying.
it to have a shower, but I just
that's
love the
not bad,
look of
though.
it.
Yeah.
I know. So that's just something I need to kind of have a play around with, and I need to measure up this room. I'm yet to measure it up. Yeah. So it's not the biggest bathroom, but like I've said, it's just me. It's fine. We have got the loft thing going on, which I will get to. So we're going to come down this little, and this is what I love. Like, I just love this little
This little archway.
this archway is
Really
split level, really cute. So this is one of the 2 bedrooms that I'm going to use as bedrooms. So this will be essentially like the spare room, or for when friends come and stay, their room, when Liv comes to stay. There's a squirrel in the garden, there's a pigeon. I've got a lot of wildlife going on in this garden. Which down there, there's like a squirrel and a pigeon.
Such a cute window though. I love these big windows.
Love this window. I think it's really lovely. And this room actually is like quite a nice, generous size. I know there's nothing in here right now, but you know, you can have like hopefully a double. I think I'm just going to do like a regular double, or maybe like the size you have, which is what, a 4 foot?
Yeah, I've got a, is it 4 foot? Yeah, so it's like a small double.
Yeah, and then I might do like a chest or something for, I need to think about storage. I don't know if I want to do like freestanding wardrobes in here, just because don't know if it's going to take up unnecessary space, so maybe I would do the chest I have in my room, something like that here. And I've obviously already picked up my bedding for the bed and everything. This just really needs like new carpet and paint.
That's it. That's
Like,
literally
change
it.
the light fixture.
Yeah.
I think this will probably be one of the first rooms that you can like completely move into and have. So hopefully Liv will come and stay in this room at some point.
Sure.
So
We're going to be round a lot.
So we are going down here now. Okay, this looks a little bit crazy right now, and I'm not going to take you guys up to the loft. This loft has actually been like plastered and like there's carpet in there and stuff, and to be honest, like it is quite a generous size, like for head height. There's also a window in there, but obviously there's no stairs at the moment, so that's something I'm just kind of weighing up, like what to do about that, if I'm gonna do that right now or leave that for a later date. Again, I think it's a little bit like the whole kitchen thing, something I would love to do, but it's probably at the bottom of my priority list. I would much rather focus on the space downstairs, because for me there's plenty of space up here. So we're gonna have to make our way around this. Sorry, it's because I got the loft down. And then this is what is gonna be my room. So I love this room.
Yeah, it's big.
It's really big. It has 2 big windows, and it obviously has these 2 ginormous wardrobes, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with these wardrobes, but they're just not my kind of style. So I think I might say goodbye to the wardrobes and also goodbye to this wallpaper. Again, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just not really
Your style.
my style. So probably going to get rid of all of that. I'm going to put a big bed here. I will really want like one of those French Parisian style beds. I'll insert a picture now because I think they are so nice, and I think it would fit the style of this room.
Definitely.
Yeah, to have some sort of like Parisian kind of bed, obviously change up the carpet, change up the wallpaper. I think I'm going to do shutters in the downstairs bay window and also upstairs in this side of the house. Probably not on the back of the house, just because I don't know, no one really sees it. I don't really know how practical. Maybe I will at a later date, but immediately I think it's just going to be the front 2 windows and the bay window downstairs. So that is pretty much where we're at right now. A few of you might have a couple of questions which I'm going to answer now at the end of the video. No, I'm not living in here like right now, so I'm planning on kind of going to and from. So obviously I have a lot of my stuff over at my parents' house, and I want to have decorators come in here and do a few bits. So I'm kind of going to move to and from my house and now my house, my parents' house and this house, over the next month or so. I'm obviously also waiting for like large pieces of furniture, like a bed and things like that, to come in before I can permanently come in here. I'm obviously very grateful that I have that luxury of kind of being able to go to and from my family home and this home. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of the plan at the moment. I am doing like mood board, Pinterest boards. I have so many ideas about what I want to do in this space and how I want to make it my own. So I'll definitely keep you updated with like homeware hauls and just like mood boards and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know how many of you are going to be surprised. I feel like I've been alluding to this for what feels like a really long time. Also, shout out to Em because she got me this key ring, which is now
Yeah, I love that.
the
I saw
key
that
ring
earlier.
for my key. How lovely. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I've got any other questions. I don't know what kind of questions you guys might have for me, but I'm just very excited. I'm super excited to bring you guys a different style of content, and I love homeware and interiors and stuff, so I think this is going to be like really, really fun. I've already been in H&M home, Zara home, you name it, I've been in there, White Company. Anyone that is wondering, it's just me at the moment, so I'm not moving in with anyone, but I do have a cat that has made himself known to me in the house that I think is going to be my new best friend. Also, like, I'm very social, you guys know I have my friends over, my family over a lot, so there'll be people here, I'm sure, all the time. And yeah, I just can't believe it. It's like something happened really quickly. It's kind of crazy this is my house right now. But it's fine, it's amazing. Hopefully this was in depth for you guys. Obviously lots more to come. Leave any comments and questions below. Thank you so much for all of your love over on Instagram. I love you guys. Shout out to Liv for filming this. We really appreciate you. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.